JJ's Fish and Chicken Mukbang. Wait, Mukbang or Mukbang? JJ's Chicken Mukbang. So basically, I don't got no questions. And I don't got no answers. So even if you did have questions, nah, I'm just playing. But nah, we are live on Twitch right now. What's this? Honey mustard. Oh, okay. Hot sauce. You know that. So today, I got 3-piece wing and 3-piece tenders. This is something that in a diet Pepsi. Diet, no sugars. This is something that my homie told me to get. I'm about to tell him to watch this stream so he can see my reaction. Okay, let me text him. Hold on. You watch my stream, about to do a live reaction to the food. All right, just send a little text. Send a little texty. We about to see this food here. Yeah. All right. Do a little W eats from JJ's. Actually, no, I'm gonna do a thumbnail with the food. All right, so let's see what this is talking about. I haven't seen it yet. Fiso Yapone? Oh, my boy Feast. Got the little fries poking out. That's how you know this shit gonna slap. The fry poking out the bag. All right, let's see what this shit talking about though. Fiso up one. Okay. I need a thumbnail chat. Sorry. How do I tell you? I should have one. Alright, bet. I'm about to see what this is talking about, man. So, I've always had the fries before. My shit ain't. This shit don't got no. This shit ain't powdered in extra seasoning though. Like, you feel me? Like, it's supposed to be. Let that bitch snow. That shit ain't snowy. Fry cool, you know. But the tenders, I never had. It came with honey mustard. Should I have it? With or without? Alright, should I have the honey mustard? Yes. Merchant, you need the little honey mustard joints. Yeah. Alright, then. Take the hot sauce and put some on the tender. Put some hot sauce on the tender and then dip. Then dip it. Oh, that was feast on one. See, you supposed to have your shit as feast so on one. Cause when yeah. Okay, let's see. All right, unlucky scared. Okay, wait. Is the chat up? Oh yeah, the chat's up there. All right. So boom. Honey mustard. I mean hot sauce. Can you stop smiling? I don't know why I get happy. All right. This shit good as hell. Dog. What the hell? This shit. Talking about something. Dog. Yo. This combo hit diff though. Look, man. You have to have a good meal with some late night talks though, you feel me? For a combo. Oh yeah, I'm getting this shit every time. Oh yeah, I see what you was talking about last year, bro. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. You put me on to this shit last year, I ain't gonna lie. I'm just not getting it. I'm gonna come down next month. Bro, Face, when you down here, we gotta stop bullshitting. We have to link, bro. I'm telling you. We gotta do something, bro. We gotta come down here. We can do a vlog, but you haven't been in my vlog ever, bro. A vlog or a fucking stream, whatever, bro. Best eats. You talking about lingo, bro? But like, where at though, nigga? We can go slide. Oh, what you mean, like we go to best eats, or we go to one best eat? Like top 3 eats. Damn, but like, how can we do the top 3 eats in one day? Must eats. Yeah, like it gotta be like the must eats. Okay, well, how can we do that one day? But like, we'll be full 100%. You feel me? Like, how are we gonna do all that in like one sitting though? No, oh yeah. No, that's a fact. Don't eat all the food. You know me, my hunger. We're gonna try it, then and eat it. Oh, so we're gonna try the food, see if it's talking about something. Okay, bet this shit bust. Then go to the next one. Okay. But so I'm pretty sure we can do that for a vlog. Yeah. Dave's? Yeah, I think so. I think they did, or I think I heard of it, or I think I've been seeing. I think I've been seeing like a day, so like that wasn't like surprising or not. I don't know. Oh, hell, no, I've been seeing that. Oh, you never had it? I'm trying to think. Have I? A Dave's. Hey, Feast. What is your eats tonight? What you had tonight? Back door. Snacks. Facts. Hey, this is my first time eating this whole day. Public sub. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Public subs. That shit the one. But gang. They got the best subs. Let's argue. Gang. I ain't gonna cap though. No. Hold on, brother. Listen. I'm all for the listen. I fuck with public subs. They shit good because like they're meats. Because they have all the options. The only thing I don't like is their bread. That shit, the top of the bread be hard as shit. You gotta, God, like it's so hard. And then when you bite it, it just shoots out the bread. Or unless it's probably every time I had it, you trim, that should be good. Like I'm saying it be good. Like the hard, like that should be cool. But it's like that should be hard. But I ain't lie. When you make that shit your own, bro. When I make my shit be so slap. I'd get like the Chipotle mayo. Oh my god, the Chipotle mayo on the fucking. But let it smell onion, extra onion, the oil and vinegar, salt and pepper. I'll be going crazy. But I ain't gonna lie, I had something recently. You know about it for sure. I don't know if it's called Jersey Mike's or something, but that shit. I ain't gonna lie, I did not stop, bro. I did not breathe. I don't think I was breathing. And I was eating, I'm like, damn, hold on. Damn. And it's just good. Bro, I gotta look up what I ordered. Like, I gotta tell you the exact space. Was it Jersey Mike's? Because I missaid it. Jersey Mike's. It was Jersey Mike's for sure. Right here. It was good. I did not know they shit busted like that. I had it one time when I worked at Amazon. I was on break, but I was in a rush. So I don't know what I got. It was some troll. But then last week or 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I sat down on the app. I'm looking at all the options. I'm like, okay, this right here. I should go out here. It's busting. Bro, that's not a pause game. Bro, I have never had a huge sub. I thought their sub would just be like this. Look, I'm gonna tell you, their sub it's not big though. Pause though. But their sub be like this. Their sub be like this. But this is the exact shit I get right here. The original Italian. But they have an option. You gotta order a giant. Yeah, I would say that there's an option to order the giant, but that should say $24. I'm like, what the fuck? And if I would have got my options, $27 for a giant sub, when I can go to Subway and get a $12 meal. So I was telling you, big pause. Cause gang, $30? Wait, so is it like huge? Alright, this was like, if it's this, okay, cool, $30, but a 12-inch At Subway, no, I can't do no 30. How do I tell you? Yo, this one little hey yeah, you already know they supposed to be big. Wait, so that should be big for real? Like how big? Like this big? Like long? These tender, yo, I don't know if it's Donnie Mustard. Something nasty? Mm-mm. Nah. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. We can argue about that. Subway? Touch. Ain't lying. Your Subway is only nasty because you made your sub. Like, it's your sub. You made it right there. It's nasty because you made that shit nasty. Okay. Yeah, your fault. Listen. If your subs at Subway is nasty, it's your fault, man. You chose the bread, the cheese, lettuce, tomato, meats, all that, toasted or not toasted, whatever. That's your fault. If your sub at Subway is nasty, you made it. All the ingredients is old and stale. Okay, well, I mean, you can go to Publix and there should be out for a little minute. But Publix, their shit do be in rotation. Subway, they let their shit sit. So yeah, I do see what you're saying with that though, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said though, I have fresh shit. Oh yeah. With that being said, the little reaction was said to my hey, look though. With that being said, that water just hit. With that being said, when you no, I ain't gonna lie. When you go to a Subway, when their shit is all fresh, nah. I ain't gonna lie. I've walked into a Subway, all this shit was just coming out fresh ass tomatoes, fresh ass lettuce, fresh. I'm talking about fresh as hell. I'm talking about fresh. Like that shit look like, oh yeah, that like that. And I'm just like, hold on, this sub hit, and the sub did taste better with the fresh stuff. But when their tomatoes be like soggy and they gotta pick through certain ones, and then when they put the little small ass tomatoes, they be like this big. I'm like, yo, what you doing? Pick that big one right there. Pick those 4 big ones, not one on the edges. Is the one that's like cut on the end. Nah, bro, give me all the good ones, guys. So that's that right now. This combo, something else. Yeah, because bro, when they like get their stuff, they pick it up and then it falls into the lettuce. Not facts. And you're right, they don't care as much. They don't, bro. Bro, they're just like Chipotle. There be corn in my shit. I never ask for corn because the corn sits in the back. So when they get the corn, it falls into the lettuce and like the pico and shit like that. Like, but why is there corn in my shit? Alright, that shit crazy. No, I mean not how you not using your bread. I was thinking that, bro. Cardi vote, nah. I ain't gonna lie. I was thinking that, but I was like, I'm on live right now, so I ain't even want to like look like yo. Like I ain't even look that black. I'm like I don't know if this is like a bad thing to do, but nah. I use the bread, but low key not. Since you said something, it don't feel like it don't feel natural. It feels like I'm forcing it. But you know, how do you eat your bread? Like, do you make it into a sandwich or do you just bite it? You can make no, for real. I would say I make it into a sandwich. It's like I'm running out of honey mustard though. Bro, at Zaxby's, gotta make that. No, bro, I do it like this. At Zaxby's, I hate this. Dip that motherfucker in the sauce. Okay, this is the last because I don't got a little bit of sauce. I'm about to use this. Just like these. Oh, nah, we just got still have some sauce left. Just like that. Nah, for real. Wait, do I put the hot sauce on it too? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Hey, bro. I was on Fortnite last night. I was going stupid. Like, I'm talking about in it. Like, I'm talking about in it. Like, I'm talking about in it. Like, I was just on some. I was just here, not really on shit. Hopped on Fortnite. My hands were just working. Like, I was smacking niggas. Bro, I had 9 kills. Literally, I was going crazy. 9 kills. Solos. OG Fortnite Season 3. I'm going crazy. Then there was like 9 people left or 12 or something like that, and I got killed by someone from a far ass away because they was third partying, bro. Oh. Oh yeah. I had to go tight on them boys for some odd reason. No, because that's all they had was that and some other shit. But yeah, bro. If you want to hop on Fortnite, we can run something before you hop off, or if you are about to go sleep or something. The lemonade, they ain't have none. They ain't have none. They ain't have none. Because what? Huh? Wait a minute. Where you at? Uh, no controller, bro. Someone has one in that house. Someone. Someone. Wait, you brought your PS4 and that's a controller? Oh, see, now that's bad. Bro, hop on their PS5 though. Stop playing with him. Hop on that P5. Hey. 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 Oh my god. Thank y'all for watching the mukbang. Subscribe right now. Like the video. Comment down below if you're watching and you made it to this point. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.